Welcome back, boys. Today is a very exciting day. We have an upgrades day on the Orange Z. Got some new parts going in. Peter's car is ready, as you seen on the last video, and we got a new car, a new drift project coming today. Car is up, as you see. It's just about high enough for Peter. Is gonna go under there and check the bolts. I'm gonna change the oil first and the sensor, and then we're gonna do the air filters and bash bar install. Sounds like a plan?
Yeah, I'm waiting. That reminds me old days.
Yeah. And if you wonder why we're changing the oil pressure sensor, this is why. Look at that. Oil pressure goes all straight up all the way, and the car is not even on, so definitely something wrong. So got a new one, gonna change that. We're changing the oil, and this is what I found in the plug. So there's a little bit, I don't know, it's like
microscopic small bits
of metal.
It's not a good sign that it's coming out, but
look at that. It's like paint.
Like a grease, isn't it?
Yeah. No, I'm gonna clean it all up, but obviously it made a mess again every time.
Well,
I don't know, tell me in the comments, should I be worried about this or is it fine? Alright, I've drained the oil, I've changed the sensor. Peter, are you getting on?
well, it's pretty much all good. The front is really solid. The rear had little adjustments and will tighten it up.
What?
And that's it. Pretty much made it's all good.
Nice.
Ready to drift.
Alright, I'm gonna put the oil in, use all the rests we have laying around, and then we're gonna do the air filters. You want to remove this to make sure there is enough space for the tubes. Now that's gonna go through there, into there. So we've done one side, just like it's not tight out, just test fitting. And look at that new bash bar. Oh mate, I love it so much. So that's how it's gonna look like. Obviously on both sides. We're gonna get rid of horns. Don't need that shit. Drift car.
Not gonna be horny anymore.
And yeah, I like it how it looks. I just hope it doesn't bang in there. Probably put a cable tie here
that's
or
exactly
something.
what I want to say, to put cable tie here or even to the bottom.
Yeah, so it doesn't move.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna put the bumper, make sure it fits, because of this corner here is a bit, I don't know, sticks out quite a bit.
That's what she said.
But we can't push it in anymore, so we'll try it,
I
yeah?
think you're gonna, because bless you.
Thank you.
I think it should be fine because the bumper goes like, well, like that.
Yeah.
Well,
Well, we're gonna test fit it anyway.
should do it now. I'll take it. Right. It's perfect.
I'm holding this side.
Yeah.
Actually, don't even need to hold it. Both sides done. Look how good this looks. Look at that. I'm so happy with it. Honestly, it looks really cool. Fits perfectly all the way. So just putting the MAF sensor. Just waiting for Peter. Not sure what he's doing, but it looks dodgy. What are you doing, mate?
Nothing.
Are you drilling my MAF sensor?
No.
Okay, well, we hope it works.
Oh yeah, it's
This
perfectly now.
side, this side is good. Oh, I see, just a hole, was a
Yeah,
bit.
just a tiny bit.
Yeah, cool. It looks really nice. And it's a mini front, look at that. That looks cool as fuck. And now we got a true air-cooled system. Air-cooled system? Air-cooled system, we go with that.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so.
Now the bumper is going on. All you need is a couple cable ties and we'll be fine. Yep. Look at that.
Beautiful.
It's perfect. It fits absolutely nicely there. I am really happy with this. The only problem we had was this didn't go very well, but this bolt snapped when we're trying to put in things like the thread in there was a bit fucked. That side is nice. We're leaving it like that. I know it's a bit ghetto, but we're leaving it like that just for now because we're running out of daylight. But tomorrow or something I'll drill it out and redo the threads and make it nice and properly. Peter is having his Spider-Man moment.
You sure about that?
Excited about the new car?
Of course, mate. Of course.
Can't wait.
I was
This
say-
is even more exciting. Look at that.
Two next to each other.
Yeah. We also have some new stickers. Look at that. Obviously, you have to peel it off. Yeah, boy, look
Yes.
at that. I like it.
It looks sick.
It looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Triple Z boys. Now we're gonna do the same on that one. Yes?
Yes, I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit more and then we'll do.
Yeah, Peter took the old sticker off. Can still see it a little bit.
I'll put the glove on.
And oh, is that the Grinch?
Was.
It was the Grinch.
It was.
You know, that's an extra 5 horsepower. Also, we got a window on. Looking good. This is all part of the drift day preparation for tomorrow. Can't believe we go drifting tomorrow, Peter.
Yeah, together.
Yeah.
That's the best thing.
Nice, sick.
It's been so long. I was supposed to be on the first one, but the problems that came up didn't let us to go.
Yeah.
Well, we did go, but not together with both cars. There we go.
Bam! Look at that.
It looks sick.
It looks sick.
Absolutely sick.
You happy?
Love it, mate. I love it. I love it.
Really cool. What do you think?
I like it. Can't wait to start doing something on it, you know?
It does need some love, but we got all sorts growing in it. But it works. We've started it before. That was part of the deal. We had to start it. It started. It works. There's not much rust underneath. It's actually a really good car. Forwards, right, and back.
Yeah.
I mean, we got the dolly. Turn it all the way.
Come on, push it, mate. I need to go from the other.
Well, we can't really push this. Peter is trying to fill up the spare tire, but it's too heavy. He's got welded diff. We can't really push it really. The floor is a bit rubbish here anyway. So we're just gonna call 2 friends and see if they can come and help us. What we're gonna do is, in the meantime, while we're waiting for someone come and give us a hand, we're gonna load the Toyota with all the stuff for the drift day, which is tomorrow. Very exciting. And yeah, we're gonna get that ready while we wait for backup to turn up. Well, we end up not calling anyone because Peter remember that we had them the little trolley thing, so we put it under. We managed to move and line it up with the garage. Now we're gonna take it off and push the car in there, where it's gonna stay for the next couple of days, because we're gonna have to get some parts and some stuff, and then we're gonna start rebuilding it. Big plans coming in a future video. I know exactly what we're doing with it, but I'm not gonna tell you just yet. Obviously it's gonna be a drift car, but we got something special going on with it that we'll let you know in a future video. We managed to get it in a garage, just about. That is there. All good?
Yeah, I cannot put the heel bumper because that's.
Let's remove that.
I need to whack it.
Let's get a bar in there and rotate it. I don't think it's one way to find out, but yeah, well, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to see what's gonna happen with this thing. Like I said earlier, something special is coming for it, and be loads of fun. See you later.
See you later.